Guys, what's going on? It's your boy, Funny Gamer Kid here with Cool Gamer 15 and my cousin Jaylene. You saw her in another video. So we just heard some weird, really creepy noises coming from the backyard. So we're gonna go check it out. It was really weird. Okay. No, that was my mom. We heard some creepy noises coming from the backyard. That was my mom trying to scare us. So guys, come on. We're gonna go check it out. I heard footsteps coming behind me. Coming from this corridor where the cars are. And I was hiding right there. And I was just next to the car. And just something happened. So yeah. So that's what happened, and we're just checking this thing out inside the car. Guys, the door just slammed. That was scary. My cousins just abandoned me. Looking under. There's nothing here. But the car made a sound the last time. I don't know why. I was just touching it. Boom! Guys, I hear it clicking. What is that? I just heard it clicking coming from there. Those are just flies. Yeah. I don't see anything else. Yeah. Sorry, I can't show the license plates. That's pretty much it. I just heard creepy sounds. Guys, that was it! Did you hear that? Oh. Huh? Yeah. That was crazy, guys. So, hope you enjoyed that creepy video. And I'll post more. Bye.